Hello everyone, my name is Nivedita Srivastav. So I am going to introduce to analyzing the hotel reservation data. In this, we will unlock valuable insights from your hotel's reservation data using SQL. This presentation will guide you through the process of setting up a MySQL database, importing the data, and executing powerful queries to uncover trends and optimize the operations and drive the business growth. Next, now the software installation and setup is there. Firstly, we will install the MySQL. Then we will set up a MySQL workbench, which is a visual database design tool that simplifies the database administration and development tasks. In this will use to create the database schema and execute SQL queries. At next step, we will configure the MySQL connection. We will set up a MySQL connection and workbench specifying the server host, port number, username and password. This will allow you to securely access the MySQL database from the workbench. Nextly, we will prepare the hotel reservation dataset, in which step 1 is first we will extract the data. We will gather the data from various hotel systems. Next is data cleaning. We will remove the inconsistencies and handle the missing values. Next, feature engineering, in which we will create additional derived features from the analysis. So the first step in analyzing the hotel reservation is to extract the relevant data from the various hotel reservation system. This data may come in different formats and require cleaning to remove inconsistencies and handle any missing values. Next, we'll create a MySQL database. We will install the MySQL, then we'll create our database. We can use the MySQL command line client to create a new database for our hotel reservation data. Then we will define the tables, in which we will design the database schema, which will create necessary tables to store the hotel reservation information. Then we'll secure the database by setting up the user permissions and access controls. Next thing, we will import the hotel reservation data. We will extract the data, import the hotel reservation data, then from the source or the database into the format like we have used CSV format. Next, we will create a database table which will hold our hotel reservation data. Next, we'll import the data using this command SQL's load data in file statement. Efficiently import the reservation data from the CSV or the Excel file into our newly created database table. Nextly, we will execute the basic SQL queries. We will use a select statement which will retrieve some specific data from our data set using the select statement. Then we will use the where clauses. It will use to filter the data and focus on the specific criteria. Next, aggregate functions mean like sum, average, count, which can be used as sum, avg as average and count to gain the insights into your data set for summing up for total revenue, for just average booking value or the number of reservations. Next, we will explore the data with advanced queries. Next, in which we have first mastered the basics, then we will move towards most SQL techniques. Next, utilizing the stored procedures for the business logic. It will encapsulate the complex queries, it will improve the performance, and it will enhance the security. 2. Next, visualizing the query results with screenshots. So I've used various screenshots in this. The hotel occupancy statistics. We will use Power BI in the further upcoming videos. Next, the hotel revenue trends and the customer booking patterns. This is the whole overview of the data. We have just executed this query select from all reservation, and it is just displaying all the data sets. We have used 700 data values and the parameters such as like booking ID, number of adults, number of children with no booking values. Next, by concluding, I would like to say that the streamed analysis workflow we have by leveraging the MySQL and a well-structured hotel reservation, we can establish efficient and a scalable data analysis process to uncover valuable insight. Now, it has also impactful for data visualization. I have integrated screenshots of my SQL query results also to communicate your findings and compelling to stakeholders. Thank you.